Hey there, I'm Dan, and if you're here, it probably means you've either been thinking about starting an online business, you're smack in the middle of it and stuck, or you're watching everyone else grow while you're standing still. Hey, listen, I've been in all three spots. So let's sit down this afternoon. Let's talk real. This isn't going to be a pitch. This is what I wish someone would have told me when I started back in 2022. Let's talk a little bit about the early chaos for me. Let's rewind to when I first started December 2022. Courses, bought them. Platforms, subscribed to all of them. Coaches, I hired. Programs, I enrolled. All of it. Every single aspect of it. And I got $0 in return for all of that. Not because the tools were bad, but because I was missing the only thing that matters in this game, an audience that trusts you. Look, without that, you don't have a business. You have a landing page floating somewhere in internet space. What do you need? Well, enter my mentor. I met Randy. And let me tell you something. If you're struggling, don't underestimate what the right mentor can do. Randy, he helped me slow down, stop chasing everything, shiny object syndrome, and actually helped me build a system. We didn't try to fix everything at once. We focused, we listened, I dialed in. And then the fall of 24 came along. It was in the fall of 2024 that it all clicked for me. I could have the best tools, the best journal, the best knowledge, but if no one was listening, what did I really have? A whole bunch of nothing. That's when I made an integral choice. D Squared Marketplace's YouTube channel then was born, and it was going to be my focus. I wasn't going to worry about selling a million things. I was going to show up, speak honestly, and build this community first. And to be quite honest with you, that changed everything for me. So how did I start the channel? With shorts or long form videos? What's actually working for me? Well, I spent November and December of 2024 just thinking about this channel and what I'd like to see from it. Should I do long form videos? Should I pepper in some short form videos? Should I niche it into affiliate marketing or speak to business owners who've been burned and struggling? I gave myself permission to experiment with a purpose. And then I found my rhythm. And it didn't take me that long either. Long form content let me teach, storytell, and build trust. Shorts are helping me capture new eyes and increase that all-important watch time for the YouTube algorithm. Now my analytics are telling the story of all that work. Over 15,000 views, 93% of viewers coming from shorts. Most viewers are on mobile between the ages of 45 to 54, which is my age group. And from Canada, my home country, and the United States dominate the traffic. Okay, before we go any further, if you're connecting with this content, please subscribe to the D Squared Marketplace YouTube channel. Now, as the momentum built, I did something I've been wanting to do for years, and I wrote my 1 year, 1 journey journal. Not because someone told me to write it, not because it was trending, but because it's how I live. Every day I write, I reflect, and I track my own mindset. It's the fuel behind my consistency, and now it's out there for others. That's my first real product. Once I had the momentum, I added support, not hype. You've got to make sure you don't get those confused. Not a do everything platform, just one tool, vidIQ. It helps me optimize titles, track keywords, and see what's working. And that's the key. Tools should serve your focus, not distract you from that focus. Here's what I took away from all of this. I haven't quit, and I found a mentor that I trust. I stopped measuring success by payouts and started measuring success by connection. One new subscriber, one new email, one comment saying, "Can I help you?" or "I need help." That's how you build a real business online in 2025. I hope you're getting some perspective that's going to help you today in your business. If so, Could you do me a favor and subscribe to this channel and like this video? I'd really appreciate that. So here it is. One audience, one platform, one offer. That's the strategy that changed my business. Stop trying to be everywhere. Stop tweaking a dozen offers. Stop the guesswork. Build one home base, show up for your people, get obsessed with helping them win. That's how your business is going to grow. That's how trust grows. And in 2025, that's really what's going to cut through all the noise. If this message has hit home, here's what I want you to do. Pick one platform. I chose YouTube. Pick one that fits for you. Decide on your one audience. Mine, struggling online business owners 45 plus who want clarity. And create one simple offer or message, even if it's free. Just start. And if you want help, just comment strategy below in the comments and I'll send you my free one marketing strategy cheat sheet. Let's build something that lasts with you. Let's keep it simple and let's keep it real. Thanks for the fireside virtual chat today. My name is Dan with D Squared Marketplace, where we do business on purpose.